Hello and welcome to another Precision Flyer Repairs video. This one is in my off-the-shelf series where I take engines out of my display case that are for sale and operate them briefly to give you an idea of what they're like in action. This is an American Models GG1 with the Pennsylvania road name that's been upgraded to have TMCC control, sounds, as you can hear, and directional lighting. I'm going to play back a brief recording on my Cab 2 system so that you can see it go. I'm not going to speak while it's running because I sound the horn and the bell and the primary mover comes on and such while it's going. But it runs under TMCC or Legacy and even under conventional control with a transformer. But I think to get the full effect of all its features, it's best to run it with TMCC or Legacy. If you do run it with the transformer, you'll need to have sound activation buttons for its horn and its bell. But without any further ado, because you can tell it's itching to get going, let's see it in action. And there it is. Terrific. Very impressive engine, built by American Models. I think it's a terrific rendering of the real thing in 1/64th scale. And now with the additional TMCC or Legacy command control capability, I think it runs smoother than ever. Thanks for joining me on this. This particular engine, by the way, has been sold already. And I thought, gee, well, why make a video of it then? But on the other hand, these are meant to give you some experience and exposure to engines that you may not have already. And so why not go ahead, make a brief video of it and share it with you while I still can. For my latest list of trains for sale, please go to www.precisionflyerrepairs.com. And in the meantime, until my next one, be well and have fun running your trains.